All right, we're gonna go for a ride in probably one of the nicest El Caminos we've ever had, and I've had a lot of them. This is a 1970 SS454 LS5 El Camino, and it is immaculate. I mean, the paint is pretty old and stunning. I mean, beautiful. It was restored by Doug's Customs out here in Chatsworth, California. A really well-known high-end restoration shop. They do beautiful paint. It's finished in the original colors, you know, black with the white stripes. It's all stock under the hood, other than aluminum radiator and some headers, you know, a couple little goodies, but really, you know, it's got Pertronix too, but it looks stock under the hood. It's got the stock style 7 and 8 inch 5-spoke wheels, and it's got a little tonneau cover on it, one of those snap-on covers, so you can put some stuff in the back and not get it wet. And the bed is perfect, no dents, no dings, painted like the outside of the car. And it's got a tilt wheel, custom auto sound stereo. It's got a fresh rebuilt 331 12-bolt Posi-Traction differential. It's got the turbo 400 transmission, which all the big block cars came with. Really stout transmissions. They're durable and made to go behind a big block. It's got the factory gauge package with a couple extra gauges down below there, just for safety. It's got really good oil pressure, factory tack, even the clock works. It's got some JL audio components behind the seat, nice stereo. It's got a CD changer, which I don't think is hooked up because who has CDs anymore? But it even has that really cool Cowl Induction features on the hood that opens up when you get on it. Oh, this car feels great. It just drives like brand new. You can drive this thing every day. It runs cool. It's got a nice aluminum radiator on there, so you know you don't have any heating problems at all. And it's got AC, blows ice cold with the 134 conversion. So we're gonna go ahead and take some more pictures and video and get you a good look at this one. All right, we're gonna do a walk around here in our 1970 SS454 El Camino. Really great car. I mean, look at this thing. It's laser straight. This paint is probably over 15 years old. Really great shape. It's got the SS 5-spoke wheels, LS5 454 specs for the motor, 12-bolt Posi-Traction differential with 331 ratio, so you can get on the freeway with it. It's got that turbo 400 transmission, vinyl top. This is all the way this car came. Black with white stripes, black interior, functional Cowl Induction hood. It's got working air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes. The interior is really clean. I mean, look at the chrome and everything on this car. It's immaculate. Door panels, seat upholstery, nice little bench seat there. It's got a tilt column with the sport wheel. Factory gauges, factory tack, factory clock. That even works. Ice cold AC. It's got 134 Freon conversion, so you don't have to worry about finding Freon for it. Custom auto sound stereo with Bluetooth down there. A couple of extra gauges there, especially oil pressure. It's good to know what you got. Little center console. Got JL audio amplifier and some speakers, some kick panel speakers down there. Nice tunes. The bed is immaculate. So if anybody wants to see what that looks like, I don't want to unsnap that cover, but it's perfect. It's got a little mat in there, but under the mat, gloss paint, just like the outside of the car. No rust, beautiful car. Came out of a collection. Just don't get them this way. Here's the power plant in the SS454 El Camino. Again, this is the LS5 version. It's not matching numbers, doesn't have the original block. I think it's got the original heads on it though, I was told. Quite possibly, at least they're date correct. Oval port, big block. But it's got headers on there. It's got an updated radiator, cold case, which I think are cool. Some of these aluminum radiators are cheap looking, but that's the really nice radiator. It works the way it's supposed to. Power disc brakes. Still got the quadrijet carburetor on there. It's all tuned for that. The functional Cowl Induction. Plus it's got 3-inch exhaust going all the way out the back through Flowmaster. So I'll show you what this thing sounds like right now. And big block, man, they sound awesome. Plenty of power under that hood. Take it to a car show, pop the hood, be proud. People hear you coming. It's not too loud, but they know something good's under the hood. Slight little cam in it, but plenty of vacuum for the brakes and everything. I mean, just a stellar car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name's Rich, happy to show you the car. And videos and pictures do not do this car justice. It drives better than it looks. Come on out, take a look. Thanks for watching.